Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block ads on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A36 and now you want to block ads on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. And settings, just scroll down and look for Google settings, tap on it, then select all services from here. And here you just have to look for ads, tap on it, and then you must have to tab on delete advertising ID. Just tap on it, then select it again. In this way you can easily delete your advertising ID. Now go back and here select usage and diagnostics, select it, and here you must have to disable the settings. In this way you can easily block ads, but there's a second way. You just have to go back, go for main settings. From here just look for security and privacy, select it. Here select more settings, and here you will easily get your ads and usage and diagnostics settings. You just have to do same as we have already done. Just open ads, then select delete advertising ID from here, then select it again. Now go back, you go for usage and diagnostics, just disable the settings. In this way, you can easily block pop-up ads on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.